Your hair is still damaged, even after trying everything. The mask, the oil, the products everyone recommended. You done it all and still nothing has changed. That is because you're repairing it at the same time as you're breaking it. Think about it, what actually means. You put on treatment, your hair feels better, but then you highlight, then you use a straightener and the damage comes right back. So you're stuck in a loop. You've been doing everything you have been told to do and nothing actually changed. So let me show you the 4 specific mistakes that keeps your hair trapped in that damage loop. From the one habit that undoes every treatment you use to a 30-second step that most people skip that actually locks everything in. By the end, you will know exactly why your hair has not improved and what to do tomorrow to change it. And I can tell you with confidence, because after 35 years with the clients, I see this every single day. Mistake number 1, you're not giving your hair time to recover. This is the one that undoes everything else. And it's the one almost nobody talks about it. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a cut on your hand and every time it starts to heal, you reopen it. It never fully closes. This is exactly what's happening to your hair. When you are hitting your hair repeatedly, bleach every 4 weeks, heat every other day, the internal structure never stabilized. It just keeps weakening. And every treatment you put on is forced to do emergency repair instead of the real recovery. So here is what you do. You don't need to stop everything. You just need to create a space for hair to recover. If you highlight, extend your appointment, go every 8 to 10 weeks instead of 4 to 5 weeks. The extra time changes everything for your hair. If you heat style 2-3 times a week, reduce it. Even drop once a week gives your hair a recovery days that it never had. Prevention is not glamorous. Nobody's going to make viral video about extending your color appointment by 3 weeks. But that single change is the biggest return you will ever get in your hair routine. Once prevention is in the place, the next 3 steps finally have a chance to work. Mistake number 2, you are skipping bone repair. When your hair is damaged, this is the step when changes how your hair actually feels. Here is what you need to understand. When your hair is damaged, when you see the split ends, breakage, that rough straw-like texture, it's not just outside that is affected. Its internal structure of your hair has been damaged. Think of your hair like a rope. A healthy rope, it's strong, flexible, holds everything together. But when the damage breaks those internal fibers, the rope starts to fray. It might still look like a rope from outside, but it has lost its strength. That is what bone repair does. It goes inside the strands and rebuilds those broken connections. It's not about making your hair feel soft. That comes later. This is about making your hair structurally strong again. And here is why the order matters. If you're skipping this and jump straight to moisturizing, you're putting hydration into strands that cannot hold it. The moisture goes in and leaks straight back out because the structure is too damaged to retain it. Use a bone repairing treatment like K18 or Olaplex once a week until your hair gets better, and then every other week as a maintenance. That is all it takes. You will feel the difference within 2 weeks. Your hair will feel stronger before it feels softer. And that is exactly what you want. Structure first, and then we restore what sits on top of it. Mistake number 3, you have rebuilt the structure, but you're not restoring elasticity. And this is where a lot of people get stuck. Here is the difference. Bone repair gives your hair strength, but strong hair that cannot flex, it's a brittle hair. And brittle hair still breaks. Think of it, dry twig versus green branch. They are both made of the same material, but the dry twig snaps because it has no give, and the green branch bends because it has moisture inside. So your hair works in the same way. You need to restore elasticity with moisturizing mask. This is what gives your hair the ability to move, to stretch, and hold the style without snapping. Use it once a week, 10 to 15 minutes. Apply it generously to your mid-length and ends. That is where your damage lives, and that is where moisture needs to go. Bone repair rebuilds the inside. The mask makes everything movable again. You need both. Skip either of them and you will only solve half of your problem. Mistake number 4. you're not sealing the cuticles. And this is the reason everything you have done so far might not last. Here is what most people do not realize. Your hair has outer layer called cuticle. Think of it like a roof tile on a house. When those tiles are flat and smooth, they keep everything inside protected. Moisture stays in, your hair looks shiny, it feels smooth. It's called healthy hair. But when your hair is damaged, those cuticles are lifted. They are open and everything you put in starts escaping. This is why you might say, I do a mask and 1 hour later my hair feels dry again. That is not a product problem. That is a cuticle problem. Your hair cannot hold on what are you giving it. This fix is very simple. It takes 30 seconds. Seal your ends every day. Use any oil or any serum. Apply small amount just on the parts of the hair that are most damaged, usually the very ends. Then on every wash day, add a little bit more support. Add on leave-in conditioner on your mid-lengths and ends and follow with again serum or oil to seal it in. Of course, use any other product you need to. The point is that you smoothen the cuticle down so it locks everything in. This is the step most people skip, but it's the step that makes the biggest visible difference. Your hair will look shinier, it will feel smoother, and it will hold the results of everything else you have done. 30 seconds every day, that's it. Here is the full system, and I want you to see how these 4 steps connect together. Step 1, stop the damage and give your hair recovery time. If you skip prevention, you're always chasing the damage that is still happening. Step 2, rebuild the structure with bond repair. If you skip it, your hair stays structurally weak. Step 3, restore elasticity with moisturizing mask. If you skip this, your hair stays brittle and snaps. Step 4, seal the cuticles every single day. If you skip this, you lose everything you have put in. This is why these 4 works together, not separately. It's a system. And when you follow it, your hair finally starts to change. You've got this. I would love to know which one of these 4 mistakes do you think is mostly affecting your hair. Drop it in the comments. No judgment. I have made every single one of them myself as well. I really hope this helps. And until next time, see you.